welcome back to 108 Contemporaries Embroidery Craft Kit series. In this video, you're going to learn how to put your fabric over your hoop. So you'll first start by making sure that the screw is completely open without pulling the screw all the way through. So you want it to look like that. And then you're going to remove this outer layer and set it to the side. You're going to take the inner circle that doesn't have any hardware on it and place it underneath your fabric. You want to make sure that your pattern is where you want it to be. If you want it to be centered, it's in the center. And if you want it to be on the sides, on the side. So make sure before you can see where it is. Then you take the outer hoop, again with the screw all the way open, and lay it down until it's flush with the table. Then you can pick it up and start to tighten the screw. Once it feels firm, you're going to stop so that way we can make sure that this fabric is tight. And how you do that is you grab this excess fabric on the back and pull. And do that just a little bit all the way around. You don't want to pull too much all in one direction and then it's not even. So you want to just pull a little bit all the way around so that way there's no wrinkles and it's nice and snug. It's so much easier to embroider when it's really snug. Make sure any spots that came loose as you were going around are pulled tight, and you can tighten that screw even more. And then if you feel like there's still a couple of spots, kind of go around again, and then you'll make that final tighten where you make it really, really tight. You just can't tighten it anymore. And there you have it. You're ready to go.